Yo, what's up? It's Millionaire Hoy, and today we're gonna kick some butt, have some fun, burn some calories, and burn some fat with this fat-burning, all-standing cardio hit workout. All right, we're going for 20 exercises throughout this workout. If you haven't already, go ahead and warm up right now because we're gonna go ahead and get it started and kicked off with some traffic sprints. So go ahead and put a big old bright juicy smiley face, get a quick sip of water, and we head right on into this thing. All right, so we're gonna start off arms behind, sprint out to 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, arms out, come on. In up. Keep those knees high, arms back, come on, chest up. 5, 6, 7, 8, abs tight, arms out. In up. Let's run forward. Come on, back. Out. You got it. In back. Let's fly one more time. Come on, arms out, straight out to the side. Keep moving, come on, base step. All right, from here, we're going 3 station high knees. So we're gonna jog, high knee, highest knee. Let's go, jog fade. 5, 6, 7 to the center, high knees. Come on. Over, highest knees. Pick them up, high as you can get them without stumping. Good, high knees. In jog, bring it down. Just bring it back up. As high as you can get. Don't lean back. Work through those hip flexors. Come on. Heart rate's coming up. In jog. Come on, we in this thing. All right, from here. Left to right, side, knee, sprint. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, rip 8. To the right. In up. We're pushing for those 2,000 steps. Keep those feet moving. Come on. All right, we can get our knees towards the left. Then right to the right. Come on. We're still in this thing. All right. Half whole sprint. We're starting from the right. Half skater, whole skater, sprint to 8. Let's go. Half, whole, sprint. Come on. We're lightening the speed for control through the gluteus medius. Yeah. Good, you're getting good at that. Let's keep pushing. One more. Yeah. Get that quick step, step it out. All right, we're gonna keep it grounded here. 180, agility speed. Let's work on that coordination. Go on, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn. 3, 4, turn, come on. Turn. Step both feet in and out evenly. Turn, come on. Turn. Turn. You got it. Over. One more. Turn. 2, 3, 4. Good. Walk it out. All right. We got those half full skaters going from the left over towards the right. Come on, family. You got this. Half. Hold. Up. Sprint fade. Lock in that core. Gotta work on my swing. There we go. Much better. Yeah. Woo! One more good one. Let's make it clean. Come on. Woo! Way to push through, family. All right. 180 juggler sprints. We're sprint to the side, juggle over. Come on, a fade. 5, 6, 7, 8. Juggle. Hip sprint. Pick those knees up. Run, run, run. You got this. One more sprint. Good, walk it out. I'm gonna get a sip after that. We got wide butt kicks. Hop inside to side. Use the gluteus medius. That way you're not putting all that stress on the knees. Let's go. Legs are wide. Keep those heels up. Let's run forward. Come on. Woo! For those of us following the other program, we just work glutes, so I know you're feeling this. Come on. Push. Run forward. Squeeze. Get those heels up. Walk it out. Yay! All right. We got slanted sprint. Right knee's gonna drive. We're going towards the left. Let's go. Keep pushing, hop it out. Definitely getting those abs in there. Getting those calves. Come on. Stand in place to modify. Give me your back. Lean with it, rock with it, come on. Less than 10 seconds. Everybody wants that core, you gotta work for it. Woo! All right, wrist bar switch jack. So, catch our breath a little bit here. Face to left, let's go. 1, 2, 3, jack and jack. In over. There we go. Head up. We got it. Turn over. Give me some marks on the other side and walk it out. All right, from this time, slanted sprints. Right leg is down, left knee is drive. Let's get that heart rate up to the red if we can. Come on! Bring it! Tuck that core and swing. Give me your best, and you will get your best. Now, if you can't go as fast as I can, just compare yourself to yourself. Focusing on improving. As you come back to this workout, you'll be even stronger. Come on, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Almost a red. All right, relay sprint. 3 taps, sprint it up. Come on. 1, hustle. 2, sprint fade. And over. There's that sweat. Woo! Come on, over. 3, 2, 1. 3 more taps. 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. All right, agility sprints. 4 count down low. Bring it out. Woo! Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. In low. There we go. Hit the ground running. All this sweat in just 15 minutes. Come on, big step out. Let's go. Finally hit that red. I'm getting a sip. Keep moving. High wide sprints. High knees, wide knees. Bring it up. In, out. Oblique. Lats. Abs. Come on. Work. In, out. One more wide knee. Spread. Woo! I felt that one. Let me breathe it out. All right. Puddle, hop, sprint. Breathe. Pedal. 2, 3, 4. Over. Sprint fade. Hit pedal. 2, 3, 4. Over. 8. Pedal. Hop over that puddle. And down. Come on. Indoor running, fam. One more hop. Yes. Still getting those steps. Side to side. ISO Tap Jugglers. 3 taps. Juggler fade. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Give me 8. Other side. Come on, pick it up. Other side. Work. Championship round. Yeah. All right. Double hustle tap hop. I know you feel it. We know championship round. Let's roll. From the right. Bring it over. Tap. 1, 2. Over. And hop. Back over. Come on. Woo! You ain't it. Just a few more exercises to go. I know I'm dressed like a candy corn, but ain't nothing sweet. We working. Come on. One more. Woo! Come on. Walk it out. 180. Fly sprint. Sprint to the side, fly arms in the center. 8. Arms out. Come on, come on, come on, come on. To the right. Arms out. Straight out. In up. Go! Hard work pays off. And we're so close to that finish line. One more. Double hustle tap hops. One more exercise after this. Come on, fam. Yeah. And up. Ain't no quit in us. Mind if you have to. Focus on that form. And just moving those feet. And I want to know how many steps you got in the comments at the end of this workout. You all have been doing an amazing job. Let's keep it up. One more. Final move. 180. Fast, slow. Tap under. 45 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fast. 8. And up. Over. High knees. Come on. Let's finish strong. Tight core. Yeah. More than halfway through here. Come on. Work. We're earning that fist bump. So close. Yeah. Bring it in. Give me a fist bump in. Boom. Fist bump. Way to rocket. Excellent job. I'm getting a sip. I know y'all can't see me behind the screen, but we absolutely worked it. How many steps? 2,170. Excellent job bringing it out of breath. I want to know how many steps you all got down below in the comments. Just 15 minutes, burning calories, burning fat, getting our steps, and improving our cardiovascular strength. You don't need a whole lot of cardio to put your best foot forward. You'll get stronger with time. So look, I'm out of breath. Let's make sure as we get up out of here, if this is your final workout, stretch at the end of this workout. And as you go out throughout the day, healthy food in your stomach, healthy things in heart relationships, and healthy things in your mind, mental health over every single thing else. It's Millionaire Hoy. Till next time we come back and crush it, take care and peace out.